Yeah.
So, have you tried solving other questions?
Sir, I was like unable to do like few I was doing so because I had exam also I could not complete it
Ah,
fully.
okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. Don't worry. So, what they're teaching in maths in your school?
Sir, in maths now we have two tracks now, sir. In one track,
Mhm.
like they finished the relations and functions, and they're
Okay,
doing
okay,
linear equations.
okay. No issues. So, till where we
Sir,
have
and
covered in the previous class?
yes, and in sir in other track they have started permutations and combinations.
Ah, okay. How you are finding it? Computation, combination.
It's good only, sir. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Factorials, right?
yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, till where we completed in this exercise
So we were
3.3?
doing exercise problems. So we have completed the chapter basically.
3.3 we
It
completed.
no, sir. You told if you want, like you made me solve some questions in class, and you told do the rest in home. If you're able to do,
Mhm.
you do. If you have any doubt, you can call, like tell
Right,
me.
right, right. So do one thing.
Yes,
All the examples we have solved, right?
yes, sir.
Like, so now exercise questions are pending. So
Yeah,
you try solving it whenever you get time. And
okay,
if you're
sir.
stuck somewhere, you ask me. Okay.
Yes, yeah,
But I know like it's too hectic. If you go to
yes,
school,
sir.
then a
Yeah.
school homework, then examination, then tuition class.
Yes,
It's too
yes,
hectic. I can understand it. So whenever you get time, so try to solve
yes,
these
sir.
questions. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
also let me know like when you're ready for a
Yes, sir.
short test. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So don't worry, like test will not be based on the numbers. I will not be giving you numbers. So we'll just discuss the solutions, how you solve the question, where you should improve. The question is you're not able to solve, what is the reason? So
Yes.
after test, we'll do a retrospective meeting. We will try to understand where we have to work more. Okay. That should be the intention of test.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So which chapter you want?
Sir, you're in mute. Hello.
Oh, sorry, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah. So I'm telling,
Yes.
so now in Chico, we completed it. Now it's up to you. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
solve the questions. Okay. Which chapter you want me to start now?
So, like Monday, I have a test, sir, in which
Mhm.
for math we have trigonometry and functions.
Okay. Monday you have test. So Saturday today.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
trigonometry and functions. Okay. So what is the plan then?
So no trigonometry functions, and we have that relations and functions, but only
Okay.
functions.
Functions.
So yes, sir.
That is
Yeah.
which chapter? That is which chapter?
So chapter two, relations and functions.
So you want me to start that?
Yes, sir. But in the chapter we only have functions, sir, the last topic of the chapter.
That you want to cover today, right?
Yes, sir. So if it's possible, like today or tomorrow, if you have class.
Oh, sure, sure, sure. We'll do it. We'll check whatever we can complete. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Makes sense. It means,
So will I have class tomorrow also?
yeah, you'll be having class tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You are available, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I was just checking because in this
No, no,
week
I'll
we
be
didn't
there.
have one also. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. This week, today and tomorrow, we'll check class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
So
tomorrow when?
functions tomorrow. At what time you're available tomorrow?
Sir, whole day free, no college, so I'm free anytime.
Okay, okay. Okay, so maybe by evening.
Okay.
Okay. So exercise 2.1, 2.2. From which exercise you want me to start? Functions, this one, right?
Yes, sir. We have only
Okay.
functions from this chapter.
Okay, fine. Then we start this. So function is actually very important and very simple. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And your entire calculus, you will study
Yes.
calculus, differentiation, integration.
Yes, sir.
It's purely based on functions only. Okay.
Okay.
So we will start from scratch. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. And feel free and ask questions. Whatever I
Okay,
teach,
sir.
feel
Yeah.
free and ask questions. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the function? Function is like some relationship. Okay. Or you can tell
Yes.
it is something like a rule, or it is something like a mapping. Okay. But theoretically, if I will try to explain you, it will be difficult to understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is why we will solve some questions and then it will be more clear. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, First of all, let me check one thing. Okay. Hmm. Let's start from my example 10. Let n be the set of natural numbers. What is a natural number?
Ends. Yeah.
From 1 till infinity, right?
Yeah. Yes. Until infinite.
Right. So here they're telling let n be the set of natural numbers. It means n, the entire natural number, you can denote by n. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And the relation R we defined on n such that R equals to x comma y equals to 2x comma x, y belongs to natural number. What is the domain, codomain, and range of R? Is this relation a function? So we have to find domain, codomain, and range of R. And is this
Yeah.
a function or not? We have to find it. Okay.
Yes.
Now, the relation R we defined on n such that R equals to x comma y colon y equals to 2x x comma y belongs to n. So the domain of R is a set of natural numbers n. What is the meaning of domain? What is the meaning of domain? Domain
So
means all the possible values which can be accepted. Understood?
yes, sir. Understood. Yes.
Domain means the possible values which can be
Accepted.
accepted, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Like suppose if I will tell you the age of Mohan is 150 years, is that possible? No.
No, sir.
Generally, the age will be like 100 maximum or 110, 120 maximum,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that will not be possible. If I will tell my age is minus 50, is that possible?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So domain means
Like
the
acceptable
set
number.
acceptable values.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like age can't be negative. So age should be
Yes.
positive only.
Yeah.
If someone is asking what is a domain, you have to tell set of all possible values is called domain.
Domain.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Domain means what?
Set of all
Set
possible
of all
values.
possible is domain. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Like suppose your maths test is of 100 marks and someone is telling I got 150. Is that possible?
No, sir.
Got it? No.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now suppose The rod, length of a rod, is it possible negative?
No, sir.
No, negative is not possible.
Yeah.
So if I have to tell the domain of it, the length of a rod, domain will be
Like, sir, any possible value?
0 to infinity.
Yes, sir. 0 to.
Can be anything from 0 to infinity. That is the
Yes,
domain.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'm getting on call. Just one.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Similarly, uh, price per kg apple. You understanding?
Yes, sir.
Price per kg apple. Is it possible to be negative?
No, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
It's not possible.
Yeah.
The domain will be greater than 0.
Yeah. Greater than 0 to infinity.
So for that, if someone will ask me what is the price of per apple, write a domain for it. So I will tell the domain will be the value will be always greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Why not equals to 0?
So because like you won't get anything for free.
Ah, correct. Very good. We can't get anything for free. Not possible, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that so that is why even that is not possible. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now you got a fair idea about domain.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The time taken to fill a water tank, what will be the domain?
Like, so, like greater than 0 to infinity.
Greater than 0. Hope it is
Yes.
clear.
Yes, sir.
What is the domain? Voting age in India. What is the domain?
Like greater than 18, 21.
Greater than 18, right? So domain will be greater than 18. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So domain means the set of possible values or the accepted values, the value which can be accepted. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir.
Now, in this question, what they're denoting by capital N,
Like all natural numbers.
all natural numbers. So what will be the
Yes.
domain of it? All the set of natural numbers, so starting from 1,
Yes. So
right?
greater than 0 to infinity.
Correct. So we can tell that the domain N is nothing but set of natural
Numbers.
numbers.
Yes.
Now, from where the natural numbers start? 1,
So 1,
2,
2,
3,
3 to
4.
infinity.
Correct?
Yes.
We can tell this is the N.
Domain. Yes, sir.
Now, the relation R, how they're denoting it, like this: x, y,
Yes.
colon, y equals to 2x, x comma y belongs to M. This is what they have written in your book, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, now the question is this relation a function that is given in the book, no? They're asking, is R
Yes,
a
sir.
function? Correct?
Yeah.
You're asking it. Is R a
Yes, sir.
function? So the answer is yes. This is the function. But
So can
now
you
the
explain
question is
how?
why. Good.
Yeah.
The question is how. How you can tell that this is a function.
Yes, sir.
Now, here what they have mentioned, x comma y belongs to n. It means in this relationship, x and y belongs to natural number, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So it means if x belongs to natural number, the output is exactly y equals to 2x.
Yes, sir.
The output y will be exactly one value, no?
Yeah.
Not understood. See, in this relationship, y equals to 2x. Suppose if x equals to 1, what will be y?
2,
If x equals to 2, what will be y?
4,
4. If x equals to 3, what will be the y?
6,
X equals to 4, what will be the y?
8.
Just keep on going like this, so on.
Yes. Yeah.
So for each and every input value of x, are you getting unique value of y?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Or you're getting exactly one value only?
We are getting this, sir.
Right? So that is why we can tell R is a
Function
function.
of x. Okay, sir.
Is this clear?
Okay, sir. So if we don't get like exact one value, it's not a function.
It's not a function.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, next example. What is domain? All valid values are domain
Yes. All possible.
because
Well,
because it is taking all the natural numbers.
yes, sir.
It means all the valid values will be domain. That is what they're saying. The domain of R is a set of natural numbers. Because this
Yes.
x can take any value and it belongs to natural number. So it can take any natural number. So if someone will ask, what is the domain? You can tell all the natural numbers are domain because it can accept all the natural numbers. All the natural
y-
numbers are the possible values.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you sure this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is codomain? So the codomain is also natural number.
So
But
like
before
how?
that, what is codomain? That codomain is the set that contains all possible outputs. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
as defined in the function.
So like what is the difference between domain and codomain?
Domain means what can be accepted. Codomain means what are the possible outputs, not put what you can get. That is codomain. So, in a
Okay.
simple term, domain means all the inputs. Codomain means all the possible outputs.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Codomain means all possible declared outputs. That is codomain.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Uh, explain this. Okay, 1 minute. So domain you understood, right? So now the
Yes, sir.
codomain for this will be again all the natural numbers, because if you see in this example, what is the output? Natural number, natural number, natural number,
Yes,
natural number,
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So
Yeah,
input is domain, output is codomain. So in this
yes.
example, what is the domain? Domain is a set of natural numbers.
All, yeah,
The
all natural.
codomain is also n, because in codomain also we are getting all the natural numbers only.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Is this point clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now the question, the last question is,
Range.
what is range here? What is range?
Yes.
Now, range means the possible output. Okay. Range means
Possible
the
output.
possible outputs, whatever you are getting.
So then what's the
Okay.
difference between codomain and range?
Range means the actual outputs, what you are getting, which is getting generated by the function.
Okay, sir.
Now, see,
Understood.
in this example, in this example, these are the actual outputs 2, 4, 6,
Two,
8.
four, six. Yes. Yeah.
So these all are even, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So all
So
the
you give
even numbers
input
are the
x
range.
equals to all the even numbers are range.
Sorry, we can even say multiples of two.
Multiples of 2. Correct. That will be the range.
Yes.
Now they have written every natural number n has one and only one image. This relation is a function. You see
Okay,
here
sir.
in this example, each input has only one output.
Yes,
Each
sir.
input to output 4. It's not like if you're giving input to, you will get two outputs. Because
Yes.
each input has only one output. This is known as a function. It is an example of function.
Okay, sir.
Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So you understood what is domain, codomain, range, and
Yes, sir.
function.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next example. Can you see this question which I have highlighted?
Yes, sir. 11th.
My screen is visible now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now here, examine each of the following relations. So how many relations they are given? This is the one first relation, the second
Three.
relation, this is third relation, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So you have to examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case giving reasons whether it is a function or not. You have to tell whether it's a function or not.
Not. Yes.
Okay. So in this first r equals 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 2, what are the domains?
So domain is input. So
2 is an input, 3 is
yeah.
an input,
Two, two,
4 is
three,
an
and
input.
four. Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
These are the inputs.
Yes.
For each of this input value,
So why
for
can't
each
we
of this,
select one?
I can't, no, but because in this relation, in the question, they have given this only, no? That is what we have taken this only. You cannot take the values as per your own convenience if they are giving the values directly. Here they have not
Okay.
given the value directly, they have given the relationship. Then you can take any value. You can take
Okay.
x0, y1, something like that. But here they are telling, I have these values only. So you have to take these values only. You cannot consider any other value as per your own convenience.
Yes. Sir, but one is also there no, in the question, sir.
Is there in the question where? Sorry.
Like 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1.
So here input is 2, output is 1. Input is
Okay,
3,
sir.
output is 1. Okay. Input
Yeah.
is 4,
Okay, sir.
output is 2. That is the meaning.
Understood. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
So now here we have to find this is the function or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
I'm giving you a hint. how to find whether it's a function or not. This is a trick. Listen carefully. What is a trick?
Yes.
In the sub question one, two input, what is output? One,
One.
right? Three
Three
input,
input
what is
and
output? One.
one. Four input
Four
and
input,
output is
output is two.
yes.
Now, whenever you have to check whether it is a function or not, 2 points you have to remember. Point number one, each input will give only one output.
Yes.
It means if you're giving one input, you should get one output. Okay,
Yes.
understood?
Yes. Yeah.
Second point, no repetition of x with different y values.
So like sir, input and output can't be the same number.
No, see, for one input, there should be one output, right?
Yes, sir.
One input, one output. This is rule number one.
Yeah.
Or I can also tell, yeah, I'm getting this output value. Suppose I'm getting here apple,
Yes.
I'm getting here banana. This is the output.
Yes.
But if you're getting a single input and it is giving two different output, it's not a function.
Oh, okay, sir.
Means one input will give only one output. From one input, if you're getting two output, it's not a function.
Okay, sir.
Now check this one. What is the input here?
Two.
Two. What is the output? One.
One.
What is the input? Three. What is the output?
Three.
One.
One.
Huh? One. No. What is the input? Four. What is
One.
the output?
Yes,
Two.
sir. Two. Yeah.
Now check. For each input, are you getting a unique output?
Yes, sir.
This two is giving only one output. Is this two giving any other output?
No, sir.
This three is giving only one output. Is this three giving any other output?
No, sir.
Four is giving only one output.
Yes, sir.
It is possible that two different input can give same output. That is possible. That is possible.
Oh, okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Like two gives one
Like
and three
suppose
gives one.
I have a function x square and I have a function x plus 2. Sorry, x plus
Yes.
3. If I will take the
Yes.
value of x equals to 2, what will be the output?
Four.
2 square 4.
Yes.
If I will take the value of x as 1, what will be the output?
Four.
They both are given the same output, no?
Yes.
But the inputs are different. This is 2, this is 1.
Yes.
Two different input, but same output. This is possible. This is allowed. But a
Okay, sir.
single
Yeah.
input should not give two different outputs.
Yes.
So here you can just write one line. Each x has exactly one y.
Okay, sir.
So we can tell it is a
Function.
was this clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, can inputs be repeated?
Inputs be repeated. No, input
Like
will not be
two
repeated.
comma one. It can't be repeated,
Input will
sir.
not be repeated. If it is getting repeated,
It's
that
not a
is not a
function.
function. It's not a function.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If it is repeated, it has to give same output only. If it
Yes.
is giving
But
different
outputs
output,
can be repeated.
same output, then it is fine.
No.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But you will never
Yes.
find it. You will never find it.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is clear. You want to make a note or is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, yes, I wrote it.
Shall we move to the next sub question?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I think it is not crystal clear, so we'll solve one more question. Don't worry. I know this is
So second
confusing. Don't
one,
worry.
so second one is not a function because 2
Why?
times 2 output is repeated.
Ah, good. Now you understood. I
Yes, sir.
think now it is clear to you.
Yes.
You see here, input to what is output? 2.
2,
Input to what is output? 4.
4,
Input 3, what is output? 3. Input
3,
4, what is output? 4. So,
4.
so
Yes.
same input is giving different output here, no?
Yes, sir.
Same input 2, but different output 2 and 4. So this is not a function.
Yes.
Why?
So because yeah, same output is giving different outputs.
Right. Because one input has
Given two outputs.
multiple outputs. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the third one.
Sir, it is a relation because it follows the all the criteria.
So here, if you will check, input is 1, what is output? 2.
2,
Input is 2, what is output? 3.
3.
Different input, different output, right?
Yes, sir.
3, it is giving 4. Different
4.
input, different output?
Yes.
4. Getting 5. Different input, different output?
Yes, sir.
Do you think two same inputs are giving two different outputs?
No, sir. Like there's no
No.
two inputs.
So
It is a
this is a,
function. So, function.
now you understood how to find whether there is a function or not.
Yes, sir.
And you move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Now you can read this comment, whatever they're given in your book. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now, definition 6, a function which has either R or one of its subsets as its range is called real valued function. Whether if its domain is also either R or subset of R, it is called a real function. So it means they're telling if a function which has either R, it means the real numbers, or one of its subsets is as range is called real valued function. So what is a real valued function? That we will try to understand now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, example 12, they're assuming that n be the set of natural numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the natural numbers?
The 1 to infinity. And
Okay. So suppose n denotes all the set of natural numbers.
yes.
Now, for defining a function n to n by fx equals 2x plus 1, using this definition, complete the table given below. So if x is 1, what will be fx? 3.
Uh 3. Yeah.
Understood? No, why?
Yes, sir.
2 into 1 plus 1 will get 3.
Yeah, 3. Yes.
Then if x is 2, what will get here?
5.
5. X equals to 3, what will get here?
7. 7.
Yeah. So like this, they have to write all these things, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So summary is a real valued function. The domain, it means the acceptable values should be the set of all the real numbers.
Yes, sir.
It means if a function is accepting any real number, positive, negative, zero, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
the codomain, it means the output will also be the set of all the
Real
real
number.
numbers.
Yes.
then we can tell it's a real valued function.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So input is as all real number
Yes, sir.
and output is also a set of all the real numbers.
All day. Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Uh, okay, let me explain with the help of an example, then it'll be more clear. Like suppose if you're taking this function, uh, fx, and we denote function by fx, okay?
Yes, sir.
Fx equals to x square. If you take x value as negative -1, what will be fx? 1.
So 1 year.
If you take x value as -2, what will be fx?
4
If you take x value as 0, what will be fx?
0
If you take x value 5, what will be fx?
25.
So you see, I'm giving all the real numbers, negative, positive, 0. I'm getting all the possible real numbers. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
This is an example of real valid function. It means the input can be real, output will also be real.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, another example. If x equals to root of minus x, is this a real valid function?
Yes, sir.
Let's check. Suppose if I am giving the value of x equals to positive 4,
Oh,
if x will be how much? Root of minus
minus
4.
2. Yeah.
Can you tell me the
Minus 2.
value of root of minus 4?
Minus 2.
Minus 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. So which means, first of all, we have to understand the meaning of root. 1 minute. What is the root of 4? What is the meaning of this?
Like square root of 4.
So what should be the output?
2.
No. It should be plus 2 as well as minus 2.
Minus 2. Yes, sir. Yeah.
If someone is asking you what is the square root of 4, don't tell only 2.
Yes.
You have to tell the square root of 4 is plus and minus 2, both.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The question is why? Can you answer
Yeah.
this? Can you answer this? Why plus and minus to both?
So,
See, when you are trying to find the square root of 4, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning?
like we
Right
are
now?
doing 4 to the power 1 by 2.
It means you are searching for a number, let's say x, which
Yes.
is when multiplied to itself, you should get 4. This is the meaning.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is why you are telling okay, 2 is the answer, because when 2 is multiplied with 2, you are getting 4, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
If I will ask you what is the square root of 25, what you will answer? 5?
Yes.
Because if you multiply this 5 with 5, you are getting 25.
Yeah. Yes.
So this is the meaning of searching a square root. That is why the name is a square. It means if I square something, I should get 25. If
Yes.
I'm asking you what is the square root of 36, you will tell 6. Why? Because if you multiply 6 by 6, you should get 36. Correct?
36. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
But this is. Huh? Earbud no, इसमें, बिल्कुल लगाओ. But this is incorrect
Yes.
because if you will square 2, you are getting 4. If we'll square minus 2 as well, we will get 4.
4. Yes.
Minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is why the square root of 4 is 2 as well as minus 2.
Okay, sir.
Not understood.
So now understood, sir. Because when you do minus 2 into minus 2 also it comes 4 because minus into minus is plus. And as
Very
well
good.
as
Very
2,
good.
2 into 2 you get 4. Yeah.
But now you understood, right? Similarly, if someone will ask you, okay, what is the square of 36? What you will answer?
Plus or minus 6.
Why minus 6?
So because 6 into 6 is also 36 and minus 6 into minus 6 is also 36.
Now this is clear, right?
Yes.
Got it? Understood the meaning of a square root
Yes, sir. Yeah.
and why we have to take plus and minus both. That is also clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, next question. What is the square root of minus 4? Now take your time, think, and then answer. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time, don't be in a hurry.
Sir, it's still plus or minus 2 only, I feel so.
Yeah, what you told, what will be the output?
Sir, I still think it's like plus or minus 2 only. So
Plus and
because
minus
like
2
if you,
only. Hmm.
yeah. So because like if you multiply minus 2 into 2 is still minus 2 and minus 2 into minus 2 is
No,
still
then it
minus
will
1.
become two different numbers. If multiply minus 2 with plus 2, it is two different numbers. No,
So
it is
like
not allowed.
it's not allowed to multiply.
Two different numbers. Minus 2 and plus 2 are two different numbers. No,
Yeah.
you have to tell me the same number which will multiply to itself. I should get minus 4. When I asked you
So then
root of 4, what you told? Plus minus 2. You told if I
plus
multiply
minus.
plus 2 into plus 2, I will get plus 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 into minus 2, I will get plus 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But what about minus 4? What is the answer for this? Tell me.
So there's no number which can be combined. Like when
Very
you,
good.
yeah.
Very good. There is no such number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
There is no such number in this world which can give the answer for this. Is
Yes, sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then how we solve this question? We'll write this question like this: root 4 into root of minus 1. Root 4 will be plus minus 2. Root of minus 1 is assumed as I. I equals to
Okay.
root of minus 1. And whenever you have
Yes.
negative in a root, it is known as complex number. You will study this.
Okay, sir.
Why it is known as complex number? Because you cannot find the answer for it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Now, if function fx is equal to root of minus x, now tell me, is this a real valued function or not?
Sir, it's not because there's no value for that minus x.
Correct. Because you cannot find a real number for this.
Yes.
This I means it is an imaginary number. That is why it is I, because we cannot find the output of root of minus, which is an imaginary number. It is
Okay,
not
sir.
real.
Yes, sir.
That is why root of minus 1 is denoted by a small I, because it is imaginary, it is not real. So root of minus
Okay,
x, you cannot find any output. That is why this is not a real valued function. Is this clear?
yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Rashid, are you understanding or is it bouncing?
No, sir, I'm able to understand.
Okay, good. So now let's proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me just 2 minutes? I'll take some water and be back.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me, Ashit?
Yes, sir.
Now we will discuss some more functions, identity functions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whatever I covered so far, that was clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you will see this capital R, it means all the real numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think now you are clear with identity, real numbers and the complex numbers. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
So whenever you will see this capital R, it means all the real numbers. Got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, this function fx equal to x, and if it is written x belongs to R, it means the value of x can take only real numbers. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
this type of function is known as identity functions.
Okay,
Identity
sir.
function.
Yes.
Now the graph of this will be a straight line. You could see this is a straight line.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you have to draw this after the class. You have a graph book.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Try to draw this after the class.
Okay, sir.
It's very simple. See, fx equals to x means if x is 1, fx will be 1.
One.
Fx of the output, okay, will be 1.
Yes.
If
Yeah.
x is 2, what will be the output? 2.
Two.
If x is 3, what will be the output? 3.
Three. Yes.
Okay, so this is known as identity function. Why it is known as identity? It means whatever input you will give, you will get the same output.
Output. Okay. Sir.
Okay,
Yes. Sir.
but one point is not clear to me. This one. Can you help me to understand this?
It passes through origin.
Hmm,
So like because real numbers can be negative also when you take negative values like minus
hmm,
one, it still comes minus one input and output minus one. So like
hmm,
so when you go negative also you have to pass through the origin to come to positive.
hmm.
So yes.
But see, it is not necessary, no. If I have to come to positive from negative, I have to pass through origin only. It is not necessary. See, suppose, okay, have you made a note of this? This one?
Yes, sir, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, suppose if you're telling this, suppose I have this number line. Oh, sorry. I have this number line, okay. Zero,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. This is negative. This is 1, 2. From negative, if I have to go to positive, I can go like this only, no? I'm not passing through the origin, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Negative, I have to go to positive, I can go like this also. I'm not passing through origin,
Yes.
right? You have to tell that this is an identity function. So whatever will be
Yeah.
the input, the same will be output. So if you're giving input
Yeah.
x as 0, what will be output?
Zero.
0. So input is 0, output will also be 0. That is why it is passing through origin like this.
Okay. Sir. Okay. So yes.
Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
After the class, you have to draw this. Okay.
Okay. Sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, constant function. Constant function means it will always be constant.
Yes.
Okay. And it is noted by like this
Capital.
fx equals to c.
Okay.
This is a constant function.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me some example of constant function? Lots of examples, infinite number of examples are there.
Yeah.
Suppose
Like
y
we can take.
equals to 2. So, so y value 2 if I'm taking, so it's a constant because it will always pass through y.
Yes. Sorry, you're in mute.
Oh, sorry, I was speaking on mute. So y equals to 2 means it will always be a straight line like this.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
This is a constant function. You can also tell y equals to 1. It will always pass through 1.
Yeah. Yes.
Constant function. Y equals to 4. It will always pass through 4.
Or
Constant function. So is there any limit on the constant functions?
no, sir.
No. There can be
Including infinite.
infinite number of constant functions. So
Yes.
the name constant means it will always be constant.
Yes.
But why they have written the graph will be parallel to x-axis? I'm not able to understand this. Can you help me to understand this?
So because if you take like y like x value zero also it will go like on top of like corresponding to x-axis.
If you see all this graph, this is y equals to 1, y equals to 2, y equals to
In,
4. Are they all parallel to this x-axis?
yes, sir. Yeah.
This is x-axis, no? It
Yeah.
is parallel to x-axis. This is
Yes.
parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what the constant function will always be parallel to
X-axis.
x-axis. An identity
Okay.
function will always pass through
Origin.
origin. Yeah.
Yes.
So you have to understand the reason, right?
Yes, sir.
Identity function will always pass through origin.
Okay, sir.
But if someone is asking this, you should be able to answer why. Why identity function will always pass through origin? What you will answer?
Origin. Like if you take x value 0 and y value 0, we can
No, no,
it
no,
level.
no, 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 not like that, not like that. You have to tell if I'm taking x input as zero, output will also be zero
Y. Yeah.
because this is y equals to x. Input is zero, output is also zero. Same. That is why
Yes.
it is an identity function.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Ah, how we denote identity function?
So we denote identity function by fx, like if fx is equal to x.
You can denote like fx equals to x
Yeah.
and constant function.
Fx is equal to c.
Fx equals to this is constant function. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now let's proceed further. One more thing I want to explain you, but I don't know how I should I explain. Okay, if I will ask you this graph of identity function, how much angle it is making with the x-axis?
So with x-axis,
Hmm,
45,
very good. And with y-axis?
45.
Correct.
No, yeah, with y,
No, no.
x2y means it's 90.
Oh, so if it is making 45 with x, remaining is
So
45 only, so that will be with
yeah,
y.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So identity function makes 45-degree with x-axis and 45-degree with y-axis. Got it?
yes.
But constant function, how much angle it is making with x-axis?
0, like no
Zero.
angle.
If anything is parallel, it means it is not making any angle. It is zero.
Yes, yes.
How much angle it is making with y-axis?
So with y-axis also, no, with y-axis it makes 90.
90. Very good. Very good. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now polynomial function. Okay, 1 minute. I need a feedback. Are you finding it difficult to understand?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now, what is a polynomial function?
Yes.
That we will try to understand now.
Okay, sir.
This is the main actually polynomial function. It will be in this format. Okay.
Yes.
It means we'll be having one or more than one x component, and it will be having some power. Maybe power will be 3, 2, 4, 1, anything.
Yes.
And it can also have some constant as well.
Yes.
In this function, if you'll see, you have x power 3, x power 2, and a constant 2 as well.
Yeah.
So a polynomial function can have x with different powers and a constant as well. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we can tell this. 1 minute. If x equals to x cube minus x squared plus 2. This is the which function?
Polynomial function.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
What should be the power of x in a polynomial function?
Sir, can you repeat?
What should be the power of x in a polynomial function? What is the power of x here?
3,
What is the power of x here?
2.
That is what I'm asking. What should be the power of a polynomial function?
Like x to the power n because like it can go to anything. No, sir.
Anything.
Yeah.
You have to tell it can be anything. It can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 100, it can be 1,000, anything.
Yes, sir.
But it should not be negative. It should not be
Negative.
negative. Power should not be
Negative.
negative. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, can it be positive? Can it be zero?
So yes, sir, it can be positive. It can't be. No, it can't be 0.
Can't be zero. Okay. Suppose if I'm giving 0 to the power x, what is the output?
So 0 to the power like if you put 0, it's undefined. No, sir.
Any number to the power 0 is how much?
1.
1. So this will be 1, no?
Yes, sir.
So this 2, can you write this 2 as 2 into x to the power 0? Because x to the power 0 is 1. So I can
It's
write
1.
2 into 1 equals to 2.
Yes, sir.
So can I tell this 2 is nothing but 2 into x to the power 0? Can I tell this?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the power of x?
0.
Now tell me, is 0 allowed or not?
It's allowed, sir. Yeah.
Yes, it's allowed.
So, but if
Only the
like if
hmm,
0, if you put, it's not allowed, no, sir, because it'll be undefined.
no 0 1 by 0 is undefined infinity. Power 0 if you are giving, the output will be 1.
Okay, sir.
Not clear?
Understood, understood, sir. I thought 0, like if
1
you put 0 to the power 0, it's undefined.
that you cannot do, but I'm taking power 0 and x, right?
Yes, sir.
So it means any positive number or 0 is allowed as a power, but negative number is not allowed. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Understood, sir.
This all an example of
Polynomial
polynomials.
function.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now a quick test. Fx equals to 5. This is which function?
Sir, like fx is equal to 5. It's constant function.
Constant function. Fx equal to 3x plus 2. This
That's like, is it polynomial function?
polynomial. What is the power of x here?
1.
What is the power of x here?
1.
Uh, uh, uh. If
Okay,
it
sorry.
is
It's 0,
2,
0,
you
0,
can write
0,
it
0.
x to the power 0. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. X to the power
Power of
0.
x is 0. Got it?
0, 0. Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the power of x here?
2.
What is the power of x here?
1.
What is the power of x here?
0.
Now understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is which function?
Sir, this is identified.
Identity function.
Yeah, identity.
If it is clear,
Yes, sir.
good. Now, this is not a polynomial function. Why? Because the power of x is 2 by 3. It's in fraction. It is not allowed.
Yes.
Is that clear?
It's clear, sir, because fraction is not allowed when you're taking powers.
Hmm. Now, shall we solve question number 13?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this? R is to R.
Like like
R
function
means
are
what?
real numbers.
Real numbers. So you have written y equals to fx equals to x square. Can you tell me the output? Fx equals to x square. So if x is minus 4, what will be fx?
The minus 16, only 6.
Minus 4 square is how much?
16,
So if x is minus 3, how much you will get?
9,
9. If x is minus 2, then 4.
4,
If x is minus 1, 1. So it is
1.
a square. So this is the
Yes,
domain. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the output. Okay.
yes,
This
yes,
is the range. Hope this is clear.
yes, sir.
That is what they're asking in the question. If this is the domain, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what output you will get? Will get this output.
16, 9. Yes, sir. So the sir,
Clear?
the range is
Hmm.
16, 9, 4, 1.
Correct. You're right.
Yes. Okay.
Now I'm giving you one homework.
Yes, sir.
You have to draw the graph of this. Input is minus 4. See where it is minus 4. What is the output? 16. So at
16.
minus 4, where you're getting the output, this will go to 16. Okay.
Yes.
Minus 3, what is the output? 9. So minus 3 will come here. You
9.
will get 9 somewhere here.
Yes.
When you will draw the graph for this, you will get this one.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Will you try this after the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this an identity function?
So this question.
Is this example
Sir,
13? Is this an identity function?
so no, it's polynomial because x square is there.
It's not identity function
Yeah, it's
because
not.
this is x square.
Yeah, it's a polynomial.
Identity function means what input you will give, you should get the same
Input is
output.
input is equal to output. Yeah.
Input is output, you're right. But here you say
Yes.
input is minus 4, output is 16, which is different.
16. Yes, sir.
Here you see input is minus 3, output is 9. Different,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to draw the graph of this one, fx equals to x cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
So
here, if
this
you
is
will give
also not
input
an.
as, sorry?
So this is also not an identity function. It's a polynomial.
Ah, correct, correct. If you will give x as 0, what will be output?
The 1, 0, 0.
If you will get x as 0, output will be 0. No, 0 cube is 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, 0. My bad.
If you will give input as 1, what will be output?
1,
If you will give input as minus 1, what will be output?
1.
Minus 1
No,
cube
it'll be
is
minus
minus
1
1,
only.
no?
Minus 1 only. Yes.
Right?
Minus. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay. Can you similarly check for all these values minus 2, 3, and all these things? I'll be back. Just give me 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is this clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now when you will draw the graph, now you will get something like this.
Yes.
This is very important, Ashif. Don't miss. You have to draw the graph.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, this relationship, uh, which I've written fx equal to x cube, we can also write this as x comma x cube. Since input is x, output is x. It is also written as like this. You can see here. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So far clear? Now, what are rational functions? Rational functions means it will be like fx by gx. You have numerator and denominator. Hello, can you hear me?
So yes, sir. Yes, sir. So your voice is
So,
breaking.
is it breaking still?
No, sir. No, it's fine.
Okay. Similarly, you have this function fx equals to 1 by x. Now you have to solve it.
Yes.
You have to take the value
Yeah.
of x as minus 2, 1 by minus 2, 1 by minus 1.5. When
Yes.
you will check it, you will get these values. Okay. And if you draw the graph
Sir,
for it.
which type of function is this?
This is rational function.
Right. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
We have function fx by gx.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you try this after the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can this function accept domain as 0?
No, sir. It's not. It's undefined.
You give 0, it will become 1 by 0 undefined, right?
Yes, sir.
So x you cannot give as 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this function, if someone is asking you what will be the domain, what you will tell, except 0 all the values, right?
Yes, sir. Greater than zero.
Less than 0 also you can take, but you should not
Yeah.
take 0.
Not zero. Yes.
That's what they've taken. All the real numbers minus 0, it means except 0.
Yes.
That is what they're telling. The domain is all real numbers except 0. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yes, sir.
Can we tell this is a polynomial function?
So 15th one, example 15.
Yeah, 15th one.
So no, sir, because it's like it's only
Hmm.
but sir, I asked you told it's not polynomial.
And that's what I'm asking why.
So because there's no like a polynomial equation here. It's just a single value.
1 by x, can I write like this x to the power minus 1?
Yeah. But you can't take
What is the
negative
power?
powers, so it's
Right.
not allowed.
In polynomial function, negative power is not allowed, right?
Yes.
This is not a
Polynomial function.
polynomial function. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Then this is which function?
So that real number.
Rational function.
Oh, yeah. Irrational.
Okay.
Yes.
Rational function.
Yes.
If you draw the graph for this, okay. So domain is all real numbers except 0. This point is
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
And what will be the range? The range is also all real numbers except 0 because you will never get the output as 0
Yes.
in this function. You will never get the value of y as 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
This question number 15 is very interesting actually. You should try it.
Okay, sir.
Now, the next is modulus function. This is very simple.
Modulus function.
Modulus function is denoted by like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. So what does that line means?
This is bar.
Bar.
This is bar. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
This is modulus function.
Yes, sir.
It is denoted like this. Mm, sorry. It is denoted like this.
Yes, sir.
Then check here. X if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0.
Less than zero.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you have not asked why it is
Yes, sir.
minus x if it is less than 0. See, the
So because
reason
less
is,
than zero, all
hmm,
values are minus, sir.
see, the output of a modulus function must always be positive.
Okay, sir.
What I want output?
All positive.
No, 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 no. Output must always give positive only.
Okay, sir.
Whatever input you are giving, it does not
Output should be
matter is
always
me.
be positive.
Correct. Output must always be
Positive.
positive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if input is positive, you can get output positive. But if input is negative, how to get positive? Suppose if I'm giving -2 and I'm
Yes,
telling
sir.
you, I want something positive in the output. So what you will tell? You will tell, okay, sir, if you will multiply negative with negative, then only we can
We'll
get
get positive.
positive. No,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
It means if input is negative, less than 0 means what? Negative.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you have to do, you multiply this with a negative, then it will become positive. So input
Yes,
is
sir.
less than 0, it means it is already negative.
Yes, sir.
Now if you multiply this negative with this negative, it will become positive, no?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning. If input is positive, keep it as it is. That is not a problem. Like
Okay, sir.
suppose if input is 2, that is fine. I don't have any problem because it is already positive. Don't do anything.
Positive. Yes. Yes, sir.
If input is 4, it is already positive. Don't do anything.
Positive.
If
Okay,
input
sir.
is 5, don't do anything. It is already positive. Don't touch. Right?
Yes, sir.
But if input is negative, it is a problem because I want positive output. Now, what should I do with
Yes.
negative input? If I multiply this with negative, then only I will get negative into negative positive. No,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
that is why we are given negative here. If input is coming as a negative, you multiply with additional negative, then only you will get output as positive.
Okay, sir.
Not understood.
Understood, sir. Because if you multiply negative with negative only, we get positive. So every
Correct.
time x
Correct.
value is less than zero.
Correct. So what you can do for this, you should get this graph. So see, this graph is always in the positive side of y-axis, no? +2,
Yes. Yeah.
+4, +6. If you check the value of this line and this line is always positive because it's not going in the downward direction. It is
Yes.
not below
Yeah.
x-axis. It is always above x-axis. It will be always positive.
Yes.
But even if you want to check it, what you have to do? Take different input values. Take x value as -4. Y will be
Minus
how
4
much? Minus into -4 +4.
plus
X is -3. Minus into minus plus 3.
3.
X is minus 2.
Yeah.
Minus into minus 2. X is
Plus,
minus 1.
yeah.
Minus into minus 1.
1.
Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Then take this as 0, 0. Then take X as positive 1. Then you don't have to do anything. Keep it as it is. That is what I'm telling. If it
Yes.
is positive, keep it as it is. Don't do anything. So you will see
Okay.
automatically you will get this graph. But you have to try this after the class.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's quickly revise it. Let quickly revise it. Identity function. How you will denote?
Fx is equal to x.
Constant function. How you will denote?
Fx is equal to c. Constant.
Very good. Constant can be anything. Polynomial function. How you will denote?
Fx is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2.
Anything. X cube, x is square, x to the power 5, x to the power 4, anything plus a
Any,
constant.
yes.
But power should not be negative, right?
Negative. And yeah. 0.
Hmm. Zero is allowed. Zero is allowed
The
because
0 and
constant means it
positive
has
one
the
is
power
allowed.
zero, no?
Yes,
Ah,
sir. Yes.
correct.
Only 0 and
Rational
positive ones.
function fx by gx.
By gx. Yeah. Yes.
Last one was modulus
Modulus
function
function. Yes. Fx is equal to bar x.
or x. It means it will give x if the value is positive or zero, minus
Yeah.
x if it is less than
Will
zero.
less than 0. Yes.
Why we are taking minus here? What is the reason?
So because when you multiply a number with negative, you need will get positive. So we take x is less than 0 to be negative.
So we want output always
Positive.
positive. If input is coming as negative, when it will multiply with negative, then only we'll get positive now,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, you have to understand the reason for each and everything. Then only you're understanding. If you're not understanding reason,
Yes.
it's of no use. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So I will stop here. I think
Okay, sir.
approx 50% we completed.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
only one more function, I guess.
Uh,
Yeah, only one more function and algebra of real functions. Two topics are left.
so I think now you understood, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
So we'll continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
You are free whole day, right?
Yes, sir. All day free. So you just like
Maybe I.
WhatsApp
Hmm.
message when is the class, I'll
Ah, sure,
join,
sure,
sir.
sure.
Yes.
Maybe same time we will take it. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, chalo, fine. We will
Fine.
connect tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Yeah,
Thank
okay,
you.
sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.